it's Sunday, and this morning I'm riding my bike to the beach of Epinay. I've been there a few days ago, but I walked there and I came back by bus. Today I'm going there with my bike, I'm coming back with my bike. So that will be a nice ride. This is going much faster than walking or running. I am there at Epinay, by all the boats there. I'm going to turn around because the beach, I missed the path to the beach, so I'm going to turn around in a few seconds. Epinay. So that's the canal lock. And now I am going to go back there. I'm going back now to go around the beach, around the lake. So here is Rennes and Epinay, and there is like a whole lake system there, and the beach is there. That is there on the right. Yeah. Little bird out there. Alright, so that was 10 kilometers to go to the beach. I didn't go particularly fast or anything, I don't think, but now, like, I felt okay, but now that I'm off the bike, I'm a little bit, like, I didn't stop, didn't drink, didn't have a snack. I only had 2 coffees this morning before leaving. I got out of bed at 6, I edited a video for an hour and a half, and then I left the house at around 9 or 9:30. That's rice, chocolate and banana. Alright, let's go again. So I'm going to go around the lake now. I'm going to go around there. 20-kilometer ride, and I was back home for So the beach is right in front. Got some yellow leaves there. Okay, leaving the path now. I'm going on. And now I am going back home the same way. I wanna take my skills and knowledge to create something that's casual, honest, close to my heart and skin. I'd rather choose the feelings and emotions. I'd rather choose real feelings and emotions over the latest gear and pretension. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.